Hello, you. How are you today? Here we have about a 2-pound grab bag from Goodwill. I picked this one up for $65. It doesn't look bad. I see what looks like to be some goodies in here. Again, you never know what you're going to find. So let's just see how our treasure hunt goes. Hope it's a success. Let me quickly thank all of my current subscribers and ask that you also subscribe so you never miss one of our treasure hunts together. You know I appreciate your support. By the way, I'd also like to say hi and thank you to Diane and her channel Simply Diane Adventures for giving me a shout out in one of her last videos. Lady, I sure do appreciate you and your support. Your videos are so fun to watch. And see, I cut the bag open just for you. Instead of opening it, the normal way, I wanted to make sure I cut it open for you. Hey, this doesn't look too bad. This doesn't. I kind of like the bracelet in front there with the orange. Looks like an... Oh, no. Oh, no. Did you see the bead roll by? Oh, great. That means we have at least one thing in here that's broke. Arg. Oh, there's more. Which one are we going to pick here, though? How about the little furry? Let's take the little furry. Yeah, okay. It's not marked or anything, but that's just fun. Go to a little honky-tonk or something. Wear your boots. Maybe have some fringe on your jacket or something. I don't see the other one, though. I thought maybe it would be right there for me, since it's a strange or different material than the rest of the bag here. I hate when they get hooked on here. Oh, wait. Wait. Those go with. I so much appreciate Goodwill, whoever's doing that, attaching that so it's a set and I don't have to go scrounging around trying to find the other match to the earring or... Oh, I see. Yeah, we're missing a little jump ring there. I call them jump rings. A little ring. That's a neat bib, though. And then the cute little earrings that match. I don't think this is... No, it's not marked. I didn't see anything. That's okay. That's all right. We like it. I can fix that. No problem. Okay. This does not even look like it's ever been worn. You can usually tell it's kind of got a lot of wear marks, especially at the clasps. Yeah, it doesn't. It's still got the bend even, like where it's hung in a store or folded and put inside something. Oh, these little guys. Oh, nose. Oh, there we have. That's probably a stretch bracelet that broke. Darn it. That's okay. So this one, leather. Somebody's definitely worn it. It's got a little crown right there. And I don't know if I showed on here, but it's a Yik Fung leather bracelet. It says that on the where the clips, where the it snaps together. Ooh, that's pretty. Studio time. But look at the face. That's like a mother of pearl face. Looks like it's in pretty good condition too. I'll have to see if I can get it running. On the, yeah, this, what's this say on the back? Studio. Yeah, and it gives a battery number. That's nice. So I can look for my batteries. Hey, fleur-de-lis. That's kind of nice. I will try and get that going. Oh, just a silver bangle. You know how you always stack those. I guess you could wear it on its own, but I would stack those with several other and different widths. And I was just checking the inside there. I got to go all the way around. I got to check, make sure there's either there's no label on it, no maker's mark. Okay, stretch bracelet. I don't see any markings in here. Let's go quick around. it's still nice. Little stretch bracelet. This is one I like. That's very interesting. I like that orange. It's just festive. It's fun. I do see a mark in here. I think right there. You know, I've been wanting to try this through the camera. Let's see if I can see it without the loop. But yeah, I can't see it exactly. Let's see. I'm going to try and use the loop here and see if I can show it to you. If I can. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, Leah Sophia. See, L-I-A at the top and then Sophia at the bottom, S-O-P-H-I-A. I hope you can see that well enough. Yeah, I didn't know if that would come through on the camera or not. Gotta try sometimes. Oh, crackle. That's kind of pretty. Oh my gosh, see that $12 tag in there? That was probably at an estate sale. Wow. Yeah, the crackle isn't broken. It's supposed to be like that. But okay. $12. Ooh. I think that's more dirty than worn. It does have some wear on the inside though, some loss. You can see that. The silver tone is kind of chipped a little bit. Let's see what this one says. I see a mark in there. Let's see if we can see it this way. No, I may have to pull this. This is so tiny, I might have to pull that away and check it out myself. Yeah, let me pull that away. Okay, this said DES Pat Penned, and that is usually a Coro, which is a vintage brand. It kind of feels like a Coro too, versus like maybe a Trifari. Oh, these little beads. I probably won't get to that to the end because there's just too many of them. Ding. Let's get back to this guy. Okay, Aurora Borealis, tiny ones, and then I can't tell if, no, I don't think the main long ones are emerald cut, you know, baguettes. I think those are just clear or colorless. And then you have the AB. And I'm looking on the inside. I don't see anything on the inside. Okay. That's okay. Oof. I like it. Looks brand new almost. You know what I think of immediately when I see this? I used to have a watch and it had a band that was very much like this. And the tiny, tiny little hairs on your arm would get caught in it and pinch. Ouch. Okay. All right. Hey, 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 hey. Yay. Found the match. It's exciting. Okay. That's got to be magnet. Yep. Okay. Don't see any mark though. Again, looks fairly new, at least on the inside. And that's kind of like a snakeskin pattern. Okay. That was very wide too. What do we got here? Oh. I don't think those are glass. They might be glass. It's probably just plastic. What else we got? What else we got? Oh, okay. Is that tarnished? It's not silver, is it? Just a pendant on its own. I'll see. It's not too heavy. I'll see if that's actually a silver color or if that's the color it's supposed to be, or or what? Oh, just a little earring attached. Come on off there. Little toggle. Okay. Look at all those tiny beads. It would take me forever to do that. It's pretty though. What else? What else? What else? Before we end this video. Ah, okay. That's nice. It's easy to wear. You can wear it with anything. Pretty much anything. All right. Then we'll do one more. Oh, look at that. It's like a faux moonstone in kind of a copper color. Looks very nice. I don't see a mark or anything on it. It's heavy. It could be real, but probably not. Nice. You know, I think that we're good so far. What did you think? We've found some goodies and named pieces. That broken one, though, that's just falling apart all over the place. Geez. We'll pick this back up next time. Thanks so much to my current subscribers. Please remember to like, comment, and share. I really do enjoy hearing from you too. So even if it's just to say hi, please leave a comment. I post jewelry videos every Thursday and Sunday, so please join me. I hope to see you again soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, you.